Hi, Jason. It's my presentation on Yellowstone. So my wife has been to Yellowstone National Park a few times, but I've only been to West Yellowstone, Montana. Yes, West Yellowstone, Montana once when we were dating. I remember it being a beautiful park from seeing the surrounding area. I also have a big desire to move to Montana in general, so that's always a plus. So the idea of moving to Montana is the reason why I chose to use Yellowstone for the presentation. So the park is located in Western United States and was created in 1872 and spans about 2.2 million acres. It is home to a vast array of wildlife and many geological features unique to the area. The reason behind many of these features is the Yellowstone caldera. So the caldera formed during the most recent volcanic cycle about 600,000 years ago. Calderas in general are formed from magma seeping upward into Earth's crust and into the hot spotted chambers that cause pressures to build up underneath the Earth's surface. A dome is formed as the ground is forced upward. The pressure also causes concentric ring fractures that extend down to the chamber of magma. When these cracks or fractures reach the magma chamber, gases explode and pressure is released. This causes the roof of the dome to collapse, forming a caldera, and magma flows out from the ring fractures over the caldera floor. So the Mallard Lake Dome, considered a resurgent dome, this means that the dome is formed by swelling or rising the caldera floor due to movement in the magma chamber beneath it. A resurgence dome is not formed by the extrusion of highly placaceous lava onto the surface, rather by the uplifting deformation of the surface itself by magma movement underground. This means the Yellowstone caldera still has a sizable chamber of magma flow below it that is influential in the surfacing above it. Yellowstone Lake, the lake formed when a magma chamber 600,000 years ago collapsed. The water from the north, from Hayden Valley and Mount Washburn, was able to flow from underground into the caldera that formed, eventually filling it and creating the Yellowstone Lake. Which leads us to Old Faithful. Water seeps down through the cracks and fissures created by the caldera. They then encounter heated rock from the magma chamber and it's heated to super boiling temperatures and then erupts outwards. So that's Yellowstone National Park. Thanks for participating in my presentation.